Okay, question number 11. Okay, so question number 11 has to do with car depreciation. So we know how much we bought the new car for. We can figure out, we can actually look on Kelley Blue Book and figure out what a 3-year-old version of that car is. And then we can come up with its initial value and its ending value after 3 years. And we can actually come up with the model that models the value of the car. Okay, and it will depreciate according to this model. So math in action, woo, it's pretty cool. All right, so you clearly, if you want to resell your car, you want this you want it to depreciate very slowly. Okay, typically cars that are really bad depreciate really quickly, right? Aren't made well because they realize they fall apart. All right, so let's write down everything we know. All right, so first of all, we do know that when it was new, when t is 0, we know the price of it was $25,000. Okay, so if I plug in 0 and 0, I know that my initial price has got to be $25,000. So A sub 0 is $25,000. I know that after 3 years, the value of the car is 15,750. So I know the value of the car in 3 years is that. I know the initial value of the car is that. I know the time is 3, so I know everything except the K. So now we're going to plug it into a form. We're going to plug all the stuff in we know and see what equation we get. So we're going to get 15,750 equals 25,000 e to the negative 3k. All right. Now the first thing I can do before I hit this with a logarithm is I've got to get rid of that 25,000, and the 25,000 is being multiplied times this. So what undoes multiplication? Division. So I'm going to go 15,750 divided by 25,000 equals e to the negative 3k. I don't need to key in any values until the end. Now what kills e? Oh, ln. So I'm going to hit everything with an ln. So that's going to give me an ln of e to the negative 3k. The ln and the e is going to cancel, so it's going to leave me with negative 3k equals ln of 15750 over 25,000. So I'm going to do, and then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3 when I'm done. Okay. All right, so I'm going to do ln 15750. So ln 15750 divided by 25000 divided by negative 3. And I get 0.1540118199. Now, Lisa and I want you to do a percentage, right? So my K value is actually 15.40 or 15.4. Agreed? 15.15, move decimal place over twice, 15.4%. So this car is losing 15.4% of its value every year. That's actually not too bad. All right, so remember that we're using that K is 0.154 because we don't want to use a percentage when we're actually calculating it. Okay, so now what do we do? So now we want to find out what the value of the car is after 5 years. So A of 5, 25,000 e to the negative 3 times 0.154. So 25,000 times e negative 3 times 0.154. And I get my car. Why did I put 3? Okay, sorry, 5. There you go. Second enter brings you back, and then you can enter it. Good. So my answer is $11575, which says 0.3 3, but it says round to the nearest dollar. There we go. Good.